So Lex,
Yes?
what did you think of your first scrapping?
Good.
You like getting out and helping?
Uh-huh.
That's good. You're big. You're going to get out and pick.
I don't want to get out of bed.
You're going to. You have to learn sometime.
Oh, God.
Stop.
Wood.
It's not. We're not putting wood in here.
All right.
Do not. Oh, wait. Do not open the door into the trash. Okay. I'm gonna get my gloves on. Come with me. You're gonna get out that side.
Okay. Get out. Great.
Stop. Here. Put that in the back of the truck. Do not throw it in the back of the truck because you can throw it through.
I'm like Aaron.
Let me get some gloves on.
It's leaking.
It's not. It's leaking water from the rain. Stop.
It smells. That thing smells.
I know that. It's an old truck. Come here, Alex.
Wait, I got something.
Put that down.
It's a metal truck. What's this? This is metal.
Pull it out then if it's metal. Really? Okay.
It stinks.
Real easy. Come. Don't poke me in the eye with it.
Not. Oh no.
What's that? No, we don't with the TV. Because you actually can't. Well, they're not worth anything.
See, look, I got it.
Okay, bring it over, and you don't smash it into the side of the truck.
Okay.
You just put it in. There you go.
Now I'm getting it.
Yeah, you're getting it.
I don't want wood. Straight.
That's fine.
Wait, we got more. Ew! Ew!
What?
What are these things? Ew!
They're plastic. You can get it.
It's stuck.
Here.
Ah, these freaking strings.
There you go.
Ugh.
Watch. Just grab it. There you go.
I don't want to stab you with this. It's a big.
Okay. I appreciate that.
It won't fit in the truck because it's too fat. Can I put this thing down?
I'll help you in a second.
Cut off those tweezers. Yeah.
Give it to me. Come here. Now watch. What we're going to do, we bend it. Now it fits in.
We got this big one.
Hold on. Wait.
Oh, there's a bucket.
That's not metal. That's wood. Leave. Put it down. It's dirty. Well, you see anything? That classifies as metal. That's metal. You want to root around a little? Okay. Take a look. Okay.
You did that cake for your legs.
Not anymore. We had surgery. Doesn't look like any metal. You're looking? You're looking? That wasn't metal. That was wood. Okay. You did good, Lex. Let's go. We'll go find another place, yes.
Wait,
You like what?
candles.
There.
Oh, there's some chapstick and I don't want to pick it up. It's gross.
I know.
That's dirty. Don't pick it up.
Come on, Lex.
Dad, I got a bullet.
It's a Nerf bullet.
Yeah. You need to save these.
Ew, it's pretty disgusting.
Yeah, throw it out.
Okay, let's get back in the truck.
What stinks? What stinks?
Put your seatbelt on.
I like doing that.
Okay.
Yes.
Is your seatbelt on yet?
No.
Get it on.
It stinks. What's that powerful smell? What's that smell?
What was that, Lex?
Aaron could be so happy I scrapped.
I know. Let's go find another one, okay?
Okay.
We'll get it in.
Look how many stuff I put in.
We always do. Now come.
Hey. Wait, no. I don't want to drive. This is
Don't-
not even on.
I know, it's empty, Lex.
It's unplugged.
Don't start pretending. We're gonna put it on the tailgate and then we're gonna flip it into the truck.
It's broken anyways. It smells like dirt.
Alexa, people are in the house, so be quiet. Alexa, get out of their trash. Stop the cardboard from. Wait.
It's a real one.
Yes.
Wait, I'm not going to the street. I'm going to die.
You're not going into the street.
I'm on the street right now. I'm going to die. There's a car.
I'm the one that's in the street, Lex. Watch it.
heavy. Don't break it.
It's already broke, Lex.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
And then it just right in.
Ew. It's in. No,
Hold on, Lex.
because it's metal.
I'll get the chair because you don't want to drag it across their lawn.
Get this chair. Hey, the spin chair. The one that we have in the
Hey, Lex,
Yes.
come here. Get on the other side of the chair and help me lift it.
Okay.
This at the end. That's good.
Now I'm gonna sit in it and try to.
You're not. No. You're not gonna. You don't sit in front of somebody's house.
Oh.
We might have to look at these when we get home.
And you're gonna try to sit in it when we get home. Now come here.
We don't want that. That's got too much glass on it. Come here. Come here. Yeah, they put tape on it so the glass don't break.
Right, next chair. Carrying it good.
Now, hold on. We don't want to throw it. We don't want to throw it in the side of the truck. Hold on. We want to pick it up.
Don't break my legs.
We're not going to break your legs.
All right, that's too much. That's too much. It's gonna fall.
No, it's not. We're going to go put a strap on it.
Yeah, I'll get the straps. Strap.
You're going to get the orange ones.
Orange one that attaches.
Yes.
All right. Get off. Can you get this thing off?
That's fine, Lex. You're doing good. We want this.
Hey, the hat's stuck on it. Get off it. Get out of the hat. That's Eric's baby hat. Oh, he gave it. The joy. Mr. Perry.
So, Lex,
Yes.
what did you think of your first scrapping?
Good.
You like getting out and helping?
Uh-huh.
That's good. Okay, it's 8:30 at night. It's kind of almost past your bedtime. Say good night to everybody.
Good night.
Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Okay.